Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Ajman.
And my name is Student Haziq from Polytechnic Podison. Today we will talk about by ride sharing service, not sale, and we will kill local business. They have two types of bike, motorcycle and bicycle. First, I will talk about bicycle. This bike is a bicycle. Is a public bicycle that we can rent anytime, everywhere through their app only. For sure, this bicycle service is no longer available in Malaysia. Bike can make life easier, but it also causes an accident because their safety is just like the normal bike. We have our own at our house. That bike must be prepared with a helmet, not just a bicycle only. It is because cycler will use that bike on the normal road. Same goes to the other transport. For another, this service can increase the robbery cases if the user of the bike are women. It can simplify the robber job to rob them because they are women.
Next, I will talk about motorcycle. I think the statement is true because bike ride sharing service not safe will all local business. I think that is true because people not use the public transport. Example, KTM, taxi, and another service. Apa ni? Yang mana yang bodoh ni? Aku dah. That's bike ride sharing service must safe because
Not safe.
not safe because using the motorcycle very dangerous and accident can be happen any time and anywhere. The conclusion is
The conclusion is this service. The conclusion is we don't agree this service available at Malaysia because it can increase the
accident.
cases in our country. Okay, well, that's
That's
only from us, and thank you.